There are two ways most people think about money: an employee mindset and an entrepreneur mindset. An employee mindset focuses on security. It asks, how much will I get paid? How stable is my job? Will I have benefits? An entrepreneur mindset focuses on opportunity. It asks, how can I create value? How can I build something that keeps generating income? Employees trade time for money. Entrepreneurs leverage systems, skills, and assets to make money work for them. Here's an important truth. You don't need to quit your job immediately to think like an entrepreneur. You can start while still working. Start by learning new financial skills, starting a small side project, thinking in terms of value creation instead of hours worked. The rich see problems as opportunities. Employees see problems as obstacles. The difference in mindset is huge. Ask yourself, which mindset am I living right now? How can I think like an entrepreneur even while working for a salary? Comment one skill or side project you could start this month that would move you toward an entrepreneur mindset. Share your idea and subscribe to Books for Wisdom for more practical lessons from top books.